Good morning, boys and girls from East Millbrook Middle School, sixth graders. It's Mr. Santiago, and I want to go over your science instructions for today. Today is Monday, June 1st. Real quick, last Wednesday, was a review from something earlier in the year, plate tectonics. So I was looking over, I know your teachers were looking over your work, and things look pretty good with plate tectonics. One interesting note from this weekend, there was a NASA partnered with SpaceX, and they had a space launch on Saturday. And as of Sunday, they sent two astronauts on that launch, and I believe they reached their location, which is the International Space Station, and they docked there on Sunday. So that was some big science news from this weekend. Science this week. Explain how the relative motion and relative position of the sun, earth, and moon affect the seasons, tides, phases of the moon, and eclipses. Okay, it's a pretty long standard here. Basically, what we're going to look at today and Wednesday is the sun, the earth, and the moon, and where they're positioned in the solar system, how the location of the sun, the earth, and the moon, how that affects the seasons, the tides, and the phases of the moon. Okay? Some guiding questions today. Why do we have seasons? Just so we're clear, there are 4 seasons. There's spring, which we're currently in. Summer's coming up very soon. There's the fall, and then there's winter. So why do we have those 4 seasons? We're going to be focusing on that today as we work through this science lesson. Now, think about what are tides. Not talking about Tide laundry detergent, talking about the tides in the oceans and in the seas. What are they and what causes them? Probably has something to do with the moon. Okay, you're going to learn a little bit more about how the moon affects the tides. And then the last target for today, we want you to know what the phases of the moon are. Some of you have heard words like crescent moon, full moon, a waxing moon, a waning moon. You're going to learn a little bit more about the different phases of the moon today. All right, so here are your 3 things to do. First thing you want to do, and all of these have been uploaded to Google Classroom. The first thing you're going to do is watch and complete the Edpuzzle. Second thing, watch the video Study Jams. It's titled Tides. I've uploaded that to Google Classroom. And then go ahead and complete the quick check after you've watched the tides video. So the 4-question quick check goes with the Study Jams tides video. All right, so today is all about the seasons, the moon, and the tides that we find in our oceans and seas. All right, go ahead and get to work and submit that. And we've only got 2 more weeks left of school. Have a great Monday.